Hello, how are you doing? So today I'm going to show you how you can withdraw your money from, your MT5 platform, whichever profit that you made trading. I'm going to show you how to withdraw that using a cryptocurrency method. So this is the amounts I'm going to be withdrawing currently from my account because this account has been connected to my Deriv broker. Okay, so Deriv is the broker that I use to trade currency pairs and synthetic indices together. All right, so if you don't have an account with Deriv yet, which allows you to trade boom and crash, step index, volatility indices, even currency pairs that you can see over here like GBPUSD, USD, and gold over here, I'm going to leave a link in the video description that will allow you to create an account with Deriv and be able to trade these assets together with me, right? So I'm going to be using a cryptocurrency method that I've already stated earlier, and using that, I'm going to be using Binance as a platform to help me with this, right? So quickly, the first thing that we are going to do is go ahead and grab our address from Binance, right? All right, so when you open your Binance account, you see a portion like this, right? So what you are interested in is deposit. That's what you have to go ahead and look for. So I'll click on deposit. Once I tap on it or click on it, I'll come here whereby I can search for the coin that I want to, deposit. Okay. So in this case, I want to deposit USDT, which is already here based on my search history over here or my other transaction. It's already showing up over there. And now when it comes to this aspect, this is where you have to be so, I don't know how to put it for you to get it. You have to pay close attention to this part because if you make a mistake, you are going to lose your money. So I really want you to pay attention to this aspect. Okay. So we have Tron Network, BNB Smart Chain Network, Toncoin Network, we have Ethereum Network over here as well that you can choose when you want to deposit USDT. So quickly, I'm going to send you back to the Deriv platform, right? So on the Deriv platform, this is it. And the money that I want to transfer it in a form of USDT, which will be on a Tron network. Now, let me show you about that quickly. Let me go here and go to cashier. So from cashier, I'll go to transfer. All right, let me do that for you so that you know what network to choose when you want to use a deposit method on Binance, right? So over here, I want to transfer this amount. The one at the down over here. So let me select here. So I want to transfer it to my Theta TRC20 account. So the TRC over here is basically the network that you are seeing over here, TRC20. Okay. That is the network we are going to use for the deposit. So yeah, I'm going to select it, TRC. Over here, the amount, okay, I wish to withdraw all, but yeah, let me leave some inside. So I'll go ahead and do, let's say, 2, 1, 1. Yeah, let's say something like this, okay? Let's see, this is what I'll be transferring. So let me just go ahead and confirm that. So transfer. So I currently have my money showing up over here, 208. You could see I made a request to transfer 211. Okay, but some charges were made on Deriv platform when you are transferring from cryptocurrency account to a different account. That happens. So yeah, this is a cryptocurrency account. I'm using TRC20. So let's go ahead now and go and grab our address from Binance. So now the address to use is the Tron network. So I've selected it now. I'll just go ahead and copy, the address over here. Good. Now I'll come back here and go to the menu bar over here. Go to cashier. And from here, I'm going to tap on withdrawal. So I'll tap on send me email. Then they'll send me an email which I have to confirm to show that, yes, I'm the rightful owner of the account which wants to withdraw the money, right? All right, good. So this is the message right here. I'm just going to open it quickly and say, yeah, it's me. Hi, Godsway. Before we can process your withdrawal, we first need to check that it was you who made the request. Yes, it's me. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that right now. One thing you have to note about you transferring to your Binance account or cryptocurrency method, it doesn't reflect immediately, okay? It doesn't reflect immediately, so you have to wait a little bit, then you see your amount of money reflecting in your account. Now, let's read the question over here together. Do not enter an address linked to an initial coin offering, that's ICO purchase or cross set. If you do, the initial coin offering ICO token will not be credited into your account. Please note that your maximum and minimum withdrawal limits and fees, they change due to the high volatility of cryptocurrency. Well, that's fine. So right now I'm just going to enter my address over here, your TUSDT wallet address. That is what I've just entered, and amounts. I'm withdrawing literally everything. Okay. So yeah, that's what I'm withdrawing. I'm just going to tap on withdraw, and that's it. Okay. So I'm going to view transaction history. If I want to view the transaction history, I can go ahead and do that. But yeah, this is the status of my transaction currently. It is pending. So all that I have to do is to wait till, it drop into my account. The maximum it can take is 24 hours, right? But yeah, some do come within that period. So yeah, let's wait and see when it will drop into my account. I made this request around 5:51 p.m. okay, on 24th of August 2024. Let's see when the money will arrive in my account. All right, so today is 25th of August, and today is the day that I received the alert of the transaction that I made yesterday on, from my Deriv account to Binance. And this is the message right now, and this is the amount that is being indicated over there. I hope you can all see it right now. So now what I'm going to do right now is to go straight to my Binance account. Let me open it over here, and over here I can do my transaction over here, right? So before I even go ahead, this particular part is basically the P2P transactions that we make on Binance, and I've made videos on that. But then let me just show you what I'm going to do over here, right? So I'm supposed to withdraw that 208.5 something USD, but then I'm going to add some money to it, then I withdraw it at once. So let me do that quickly. So I'm going to go to one of my assets over here, which is the Ethereum that I'm having. I'm going to withdraw part of it. So I'm going to redeem some of my Ethereum and add it to the money so that I withdraw and use it for whatever I want to use it for. Okay. All right. So I'm going to redeem straight to my funding wallet, and the amount I'm going to withdraw is 0.0186. I think I want to withdraw, like, let's say 50. Okay, 51. So 0.0186. Yeah, that's the USD equivalent I want to redeem. So confirm, and let's say good redemption confirm. All right, so now I'm going to go back to my funding wallet. Let me see what is here now. That's 52. That's because I've added some other thing over there, right? So for now I'm going to convert everything into USDT, then we can pick it up from there. Converting to USDT maximum. Okay, there's no problem with that. That's basically the conversion. I mean, Ethereum is very volatile, so right now the 51 has reduced to 50, but no problem. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do is to move the fund that is in my spot wallet. That is a 2 something over here. I'm going to move it straight to my funding wallet, and let me go with a maximum, confirm transfer, and that is it. So from here I can go ahead and do my, so this is what I'm having over here. Now I can go ahead and do my regular P2P transaction. So let's do that right away. I'll come here and go to P2P. Then from here I'm going to tap on the sell option over here, which will show me the various ads available. Okay, for now I'm using my Momo, so I'm going to go with, okay, I think I'll go with 𝙍𝙀𝘾𝙊𝙈. Okay, most of them are having Momo as the payment method, so I'm going to go with this money man over here because he has been verified and he has a good number of trades over there. 5,056 trades, and the completion rate is 99.90, and I pretty much like that, so I'm going to go with him. Let me see his conditions and stuff like that. Okay, so if I'm selling all of this, well, the processing fee is also being charged. Okay, so I'm going to get this amount over here, 4204. All right, let me just go ahead and place order, and let's see when I'll get a feedback. Let me check the chat room. MT subscribers only. Okay. All right, I'm waiting to receive this exact amount. If the amount is not up to, there's no way I'm going to release the asset. All right, so as you can see, I think he just made payment, and that is the amount that appeared over there, right? Okay, so right now I think I can just go ahead and release the asset to him, right? Let me go here and confirm that for you quickly. Right here, the amount that has been sent in. Now I can go ahead and release the asset to him right now. So let me do that quickly. Confirm release. And I'm going to approve it biometrically. And that is it. Good. That's the end of the story, and I hope you do learn something from this video. This is Godsway here.